Why do I like recording you a lot? Why do I like recording you? What's so interesting about you, Katie, that I just love recording you about? Tell me. Tell me, why do I record you so much? You have to answer. I know you do. Tell me. Is it because you're my cat? Or is it because you have stupid toys that you play with? It's probably gonna go with the first thing I said, because you're my cat. But why? Why did you choose me as your owner? If all you do is torture me. Well, you don't torture me, but all you do is harass me. Seriously. In the middle of school, all you do is harass me. Are you just gonna... Yeah, that's mean. Even if it's not real, it's still mean. You know, I'm turning this off. Now what are you gonna do? Kitty? Kitty, are you sad? You mad at me? I'm sorry, Kitty. Here, I'll put it back on. You're still mad? I just put the toy back on. How are you still mad at me?
Like you, a worthless father.
I am not a worthless father.
You're a pain in the ass. You terrorize me.
I'm not a pain.
You are evil. You are mean. You are terrible.
Oh, God. Isn't he just hilarious? And there's my dad blending his moves.